What's up, aliens? It's TikTok Tuesday, and since tornado season is approaching a lot of us, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best tornado videos out there. Bro. Oh my god. Look at all the houses in the way. He's just standing there, like debris flying. Like at this point, I would be inside thinking, like I'm the same way. Like I want to be out ready to see it coming. But that was a little too close. You can hear it just tearing things to pieces.
Oh my god. Our house is freaking destroyed, Josie.
That is awful. Oh my god, that is awful.
Josie.
Oh gosh. That's really pretty though. Oh gosh. Not one, not two, but three. Is there another? Imagine all the little fishies being sucked up. They're just... Whee! Oh gosh. This is not Oh! Oh gosh, that tornado. Is the tornado like recording this itself? Like...
Look what I'm doing.
Oh, that lady. The tornado was like, I gotta get this garbage can up out of here. I put it in there. We don't need garbage cans in the pool. Oh, he's running a red light. I guess he's getting chased by... Oh, he almost hit a car. Oh my god. It pulled the person out of the window. It pulled the person out of the window. Oh my god. That would scar me for life. Like, can you imagine just driving down the road? You're already scared because there's a tornado coming, and then that happens? Like, wow. That is very, very lucky. Ooh, that is pretty. That doesn't even look real. I mean, it's obviously real, but it doesn't look real. I have to go storm chasing once I get myself educated. That's like on my bucket list. Oh, I would be in like mass panic. As much as I want to do this, and I will do this one day, I would be in like panic mode, like not able to breathe. Dang. Ooh. That Mustang said, not today. Okay, so it's over the bridge over there. Just got a little water spout.
I am taking a video. Oh my god! Why are y'all?
Why are they going down the bridge? Why do they not see that?
Calm down. It's just a water spout, Karen. Calm down.
Where do I go?
They are fine.
Honey, where do I go?
Turn right.
Okay, so apparently these guys got inside of an EF4 tornado. I'm going to leave the volume up so we can kind of hear what it sounds like.
This is what the inside of a tornado looks like.
It's like a bad rainstorm. Ooh. My heart would be, you would be able to see it through my shirt. Oh. So I was actually present for this tornado. It was bad. Like, this guy actually survived. Could you imagine how scary that would be? Like being on a crane. But this tore down all kinds of stuff. It's still torn, like there's still stuff torn down to this day. Man.
Oh my god.
Oh, that sounds like me.
You're beautiful!
That is pretty. She is concerned about these cars. Dang. That's me. Go, go, go. I want to watch, but from afar. Drive. He's the one driving. Why is he telling her to drive? That's a good distance right there for me. That's great. No closer. Gotta go.
I'm flying in the fucking air!
This dude. I'm like in between him and her.
There's a fucking
God dang, that's close.
Right.
That's
near.
beautiful.
Do you see this shit?
Do you see it?
And we're still catching fish. What?
He's just out here fishing. Oh, Uncle Jeffrey. Just trying to catch him some fish for dinner. Tornado comes by. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest and greatest games, giveaways, and reviews. And as always, stay weird.